probably remembered my video about the pillar protection. I had in the beginning a mistake which I never showed in the video. I had some bubbles and also some minor damages, and I reached out to the OCD plug and they really sent me a replacement for free, and they also explained to me what I did wrong. So I want to show you in this video how to remove the existing pillar protection and how to install it in the proper way. Most importantly is that in the beginning you read the instructions, and here I show you a screenshot of the instructions. I want to say for me the most important thing was just to use more of the soapy water solution or the window film application solution. So first I cleaned the whole pillar with just regular car cleaner, and then I show you here where I had the minor damages, and then I used a heat gun. I didn't use it much in the lowest setting, maybe like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I could go to the corner with a scraper and just peel off the paint protection film or pillar protection film, as you see here in the video. It went off really easy. This is real time in this section, which shows you it doesn't take much to just take it off. I did first the front pillar and then the passenger door pillar. As you see, this goes really smoothly and easy. Next I cleaned the pillar with the Goo Gone, which removes all adhesive which is left over, and then I used again just a regular car cleaning solution to clean the pillars that they're super clean. Make sure you work indoor. I worked in a garage, so I can't get any dust or debris coming on from the environment. Once it was super clean, I could start to apply the new pillar protections. First I line it up to make sure I got the right one. Then I sprayed in with the application solution. You can also use just the water and soap as in the instruction. And then I made sure my fingers are super wet, and also the pillar protection is sprayed in on both sides, on the adhesive side and on the outside. Just don't be shy on that spray, use as much you can, and then with the scraper use the soft side and don't use much pressure. Just line it up and press out the soapy water from underneath so you get all the bubbles out. Then I checked every corner to make sure it's all lined up nice, and now I could do the front one, and I just did the same thing. Wet fingers, the paint protection film sprayed in on both sides. Don't be shy on the solution again and just line it up. As you go on in this video, you see it is a really great product. It looks really nice. The supplier, they really helped me a lot with replacing it. The OCD plug was awesome here, and I hope this video helps you to decide if you want one of those pillar protectors or not. If you like it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below if you require any other videos or any other help. I'm happy to help you with any issues.